Hello, and now we move on to week 3. All right, so for your discussion this week, what we want you to talk about is barriers to computerized physician order entry. What you think the barrier is, and sometimes I always get a kick out of students here. Sometimes they say the barrier is the physician themselves. So kind of bat that around from your experience. What have you seen is the problem with the physicians putting in those orders themselves, and how would you help um, overcome that barrier using project management techniques? All right, now for your assignment this week, you're again writing a paper. I'm going to have a shell out there for you to use as your template. I highly encourage those of you that haven't used those yet to at least take a look at them so you can see how the level headings are supposed to look, because there is a difference between your level ones and your level twos. So you're going to have 4 topics again to discuss. This week you're going to get into your textbook a little bit more, answering some of these. Remember, when it is like a personal reflection type or personal experience type thing, I'm okay with you using the word I in that. Always, always, when you are writing out these papers, have citations, because this is your evidence. We are functioning in an evidence-based society. Everything you do for college is evidence-based. Everything is driven by evidence, best practice. So you need to prove to me with evidence why you are on this position versus this position of a certain topic. Um, do make your answers about a page in length, each of those. If you give me just a paragraph, that's just not going to quite suffice for a decent grade. Now, your project update for this week is going to be a submission of an annotated bibliography. I'm not looking for perfection here with APA like what I'm expecting with your regular assignment with the 4 paragraphs. So for this week, the sources that you have taken or that you used last week and submitted to me, you're going to give me a summary, about 150 words summary of the article or the source that you are using. And if you really can't find some good stuff to say about that, it might not be a good source. You might need to look somewhere else, but you will submit this in a Word document, not in a PowerPoint. So again, 2 submissions for this week, your regular assignment, now your annotated bibliography for week 3 of your project, and then you'll also complete your discussion board. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a good week.